You're watching GA-600 Explained. In this episode, we'll discuss index to systems by STC rating and also show you a few tables that you might find useful. Located in Section 4 on page 38 of GA-600 2021 Fire Resistance and Sound Control Design Manual, you'll find non-combustible walls and partitions as the first category listed. Below that, you'll find 4 columns with GA file numbers, and to the left of those GA file numbers, you'll find the corresponding STC rating for those systems. On the next page, page 39, you'll find additional categories such as wood frame walls and partitions, shaft walls, area separation firewalls, non-combustible floor ceilings, steel frame floor ceilings, wood floor, and wood frame floor ceilings along with exterior walls. Hopefully, by putting these systems within this index associated with their STC value, it will save you time in selecting your system. In addition, on page 40, you'll find new systems and deleted systems. If you're looking for a particular system number that you've used in the past and you don't see it in deleted systems, you can move over to the next table, Systems with Reassigned Numbers, on page 41. It has 2 columns, Old System Number and New System Number. So if you look for it with that old system number, you may find it reassigned with a new number in the GA-600 2021 Design Manual. This table is fairly new. We put it in the manual starting in the 2018 edition. And along with that, in the GA-600 2021 edition, we also in the back in the Appendix C on page 420 also have 2018's tables listed, along with on page 421 the systems with reassigned numbers. And that's for GA-600 2018 in the back of the manual of GA-600 2021. I hope you found this episode useful. And if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at the Technical Center at info@gypsum.org. Thank you.